Hi, my name is Chrissy Hirsch, and I work in the Uniondale Public Library in the Children's Department. And I wanted to show you today how to make your family moments jar. And what that is it's a game that you create that you get to play with your family. My son, who's in elementary school, brought it home, and we have been playing it almost every night, and we love it. It's a short game, it's a fun game, and plus, you made it. So the first thing you're going to see is your jar. You're going to open your jar, and the first thing you're going to see inside is this baggie. So you're going to take out the baggie, and you're going to notice that you have a rainbow of crayons inside. And these are for you to color for the project and to keep at home. The next thing you're going to see is this little circle. Now what that does is it goes right on top of here. But since it's a square, it's not going to fit so good. So eventually, after coloring it, you will be cutting it with scissors. And we'll get to that later. The next thing you're going to see is this big piece of paper that's sort of rolled up in here like that. Pull it out, and you'll see, if you look really close on the paper, that there's a picture frame up here, and it's blank. It's a picture frame that's hanging on the wall of your family. So what you're going to do is you're going to think of your favorite family moment, and you're going to either draw it or color it in so you can have it on your family moment jar. Now, a good example of a family moment is something that you remember doing with your family. It could be learning to tie your shoe, riding a bike, it could be anything, cooking. My son had a family moment here, and it is his grandfather or his Saba and him during Hanukkah. Now you can draw anything you like that's important to you and your family. The next thing you're going to see inside is some questions. And these are questions that you can ask your family or your family can ask you, and we even have blank questions in here where you or your family can write some questions on your own. Now I'm going to ask a question, and I want you to see if you can figure out what it is. Describe something you saw outside today, and I will try to guess what it is. Well, something that I saw outside today was cold, fluffy, and it fell gently from the sky. Can you guess what that is? So when you finished coloring, the next step is to begin cutting. You're only going to be cutting one thing, and that goes on the top of the jar. So you're going to want to cut in a circle all the way around, and then just put a little bit of glue on the back and glue it to the top of your jar, just like that. It should look something like this. You can decorate your jar with ribbon if you like, or flowers if you like. And we hope that you have a lot of fun with this program. Please let us know if you like it. And we hope you enjoy. Have a great day. Bye everybody, stay safe.